Welcome home to La Pradera. This stunning home has all of the luxuries and amenities you need. I can't imagine a better place to live. Dual entry doors open to a large foyer. Soaring wood beam ceilings create a dramatic effect in the great room, which is a unique combination of living room with fireplace, dining area, and family room with media wall, bathed in a natural light. It's formal enough to entertain guests, but comfortable enough to enjoy for daily use. The spacious kitchen features a built-in refrigerator, beverage center, stainless steel appliances, bright white cabinetry, and a center island, perfect for the chef and the family. The luxurious master suite with a walk-in closet is located at the main level of the home and is a serene space to unwind and relax. The spa-like bath is full of designer touches and finishes. Comprised of 3,125 square feet of ample living space, there are 4 spacious bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. In the heart of one of Yorba Linda's most established neighborhoods, the private third-of-an-acre grounds appeal to every sense with an abundance of mature trees, impressive stone hardscape, and various walking paths allow you to enjoy beauty at every glance. Close proximity to terrific schools, shopping, dining, and transportation corridors. Call us today or text us to schedule a private tour.